Particulate matter air pollution can happen due to natural reasons and human activities. Various indices are used to quantify the particulate matter or PM concentration in ambient air. One such metric is PM2.5, or the concentration of airborne particles up to 2.5 micrometers. To have an idea how small 2.5 micrometer is, the average thickness of a human hair is about 50 micrometers to 80 micrometers. There are officially recognized methods for measuring PM2.5, but the light scattering effect of airborne particles also provides a way to estimate PM concentration. We can do this using a daytime photo of a landmark. Find a place where you can see a tall landmark that's at a suitable distance from you. The suitable distance is probably a few kilometers. It depends on the weather condition, the PM concentration. So here I identify one landmark that's a few kilometers away from me. I'll take a photo. Next, we need to crop the photo that I just taken into a certain condition. Okay, so we crop the photo so that the only thing that's left is the top part of the landmark itself. Nothing in the foreground or anything next to the landmark. Now we upload the cropped image onto this website, VisiblePM.5. On this web page, there's a button where it says add your files here. Click or drag, we click, and then you see a number of options. In my case, the cropped photo is in the photo library. So click it, select the cropped image, add, upload. Now the image has been uploaded onto this website. You can see the image on the web page. There's also another option here, the button. You click this button, says cropped images, so that the cropped images option is turned on. This is necessary. And then there's another quantity here. It says L with a unit of kilometers. The default value is 5.8, which is the distance between the landmark in my image and where I took the image. And in your case, you should find out what is the distance between your landmark and where you took the image and enter that value here. Next to it is another quantity which is called K. This is a coefficient. The default value is 200. Now, for most users, this value should be left alone. Don't change it. The meaning, the technical meaning of this, we should explain in a different place. Now, you can click the button, calculate, and now the calculation is done. You should see the results below the image. You will see image file name, and you see image timestamp, if there's one, none in this case. You see the file creation timestamp, which is today's date and the time now. This is the main value. This is the main result from this website, which is the PM2.5 concentration in milligrams per cubic meter. Now, this is the value that's calculated from that image based on that distance information, and of course, using that coefficient 200. Now, this is where I need to put a disclaimer. The value that we calculate here, the result, should not be construed as a piece of information that you can use for compliance purpose or for judging the air quality purpose. The calculation provided from this website is for scientific research only. Next to this value, you also see two other quantities, two numbers. One is called darkest, the other one is called sky average. These two values are basically the relative pixel values of the darkest point in the image and the pixel values of the sky around that landmark.